Alright guys, I promise you some fun videos coming up, and we're going to do our first one right now. I'm going to call the series, Can You Coat It? Just see what we can coat. Crazy stuff. So here we got a golf ball, drilled a little hole in it, and obviously it's not going to hold a charge, so we warmed it up a little bit. And we're going to run it over to the booth real quick and see if we can't powder coat it, see if the powder will stick here. We've also got a golf club, so we're going to powder coat that too. Hang that up there. We got the golf club right there taped off. We're going to do the face. Got my Eastwood gun here. We're going to try the golf ball first. It actually sucks up the powder a lot